What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we are making a Bobby Burns. Now, although this cocktail was not originally named after Scotland's favorite son, Robert Burns, the poet and balladeer born in 1759, it is drank every January 25th, which is when everyone supposes he was born, in his honor. That being said, it's a great cocktail, and you are going to see that it is very close in its ingredients to a de la Louisiane, but this cocktail was first. It was published in 1930 by Harry Craddock, and it definitely predates him. So let's get into the cocktail. What we're going to do is 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, and then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of Koki vermouth, sweet vermouth. We're going to do 1/4 of an ounce of Benedictine, and 2 ounces of Scotch. Essentially, this is a sweeter version of a Rob Roy. And then we're just going to we're using cracked ice today, which I got the good ice, so this is going to be hard to crack, but it's going to be worth it. There we go. There we go. And we like that big rock of ice on top to sort of seal in the chill. And let us stir. Oh. Nice. That's about it. I'm going to take our julep strainer. Kind of want to... Nope, that's too wet. I want to clean up this glass a little bit. I don't like those. I like to pour into a nice clean glass. There we go. That's beautiful. Have it. And then we will finish this off with a nice lemon twist. Yeah, all right. There you have it, the Bobby Burns, my friends. Now let's take a sip of this and see how it goes. The Scotch and the Benedictine almost make it taste like honey. And then you got that nice citrus pop on the front. And if you keep the peel in here, you'll get that citrus on your nose, but you get that nice, sort of semi-smoky, sweet flavor from the blended Scotch. And then you get this nice, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of savory sweetness from the sweet vermouth, and then that nice citrus on your nose. Yeah, that's brilliant. That's a great cocktail. There you have it, my friends, the Bobby Burns.